Hey guys, Dave here from Bold Adventures, bringing you outdoor video content every single week. If that's something that you enjoy, make sure you follow along and don't forget to hit subscribe. Okay, so this is a quick giveaway video. I've been on YouTube now for just over a year. I started this time last year, and I just want to say thank you to you guys for being subscribers, following along, following on Instagram, and for keeping me motivated for doing these outdoor videos every single week. So I was having a little think of what I could do, and I was lucky enough to have been sent 3 of these products from Bone Broth UK. Seasoned bone broth concentrate. This one is beef and turmeric. They come in 3 different flavours, but I've already tried this one, so I'm going to be giving this one away to you guys as a thank you. This is absolutely stunning stuff. I love implementing it in my diet. I take it hiking with me as a stock drink. It can be used in soup. It can be used as a stock drink. It can be used as a base for pasta sauces. Whatever you want, this bone broth is extremely versatile. All pure ingredients, so we've got grass-fed, pasture-raised beef leg bone, 90%, naturally evaporated sea salt, turmeric, ginger, black pepper, no additives, no hormones. So how can I win this, you might be asking? Well, all you need to do is like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends if you want to give them a chance of winning, as well as make sure that you comment below using the term best bone broth. I'll put it somewhere along here so that you know exactly what to write. But on that note, I want to say a quick thank you to Best Bone Broth for sending me 3 of these and allow me to give one of them away to you guys, and to you guys for being subscribers, for being followers on either YouTube, Instagram or Facebook of Bold Adventures. Look forward to future videos. I'm definitely going to be incorporating some cooking videos of how I fuel my hikes. I do take this hiking with me as a stock drink, so I'll be implementing some videos about cooking, health and well-being. And as always, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to come along for the ride, make sure you hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Good luck.